Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Already announced candidates of 7 seats so far, and today it is my pleasure to announce that from the Velim constituency we are having senior leader of Goa and also minister until today. He has just resigned. Mr. Fillip Nery is going to contest, has joined the NCP and also is going to contest as NCP candidate from the Velim constituency. Finalized. Markham, we have Ravindra Talaulikar. Tivim, we have Godfrey Lima. For Kepe, we have Alosan Disiva. Domicio Barato for Sange. So the final list now of the candidates of all the other seats also will be announced tomorrow after 3 p.m. when the nominations will close.
So nobody should have doubt about me contesting on NCP, because they are doubting. When I have proposed to contest as independent, people have doubt. Again he will go to BJP. So in order to clear this doubt and prove that under what circumstances we went to BJP, so this is the right party which my supporters have chosen, and they have asked me to join NCP, for which I am here with the NCP leaders to take this mission forward in terms of contesting the election. People's perception that the minority should not accept BJP, for which they have elected me several times on Congress party and as independent. They are more inclined towards independent, more inclined towards the secular parties. It is in Salset, and that's why you may find there is no representation for BJP. We have joined. We have 3 MLAs we have joined. I am the lone minister of Salset to join BJP for a purpose, not for the love of BJP or to carry their agenda forward. It is only because the huge section of Congress is defecting, that's why I became also part of that.